Ethiopia has the largest livestock population in Africa with 65 million cattle, 14 million sheep, 51 million goats, 8 million camels, and 49 million chickens, according to the 2020 Central Statistics Agency data. There are efforts by the government to adequately tap this potential for the national economy, considering the fact that livestock sector contribution is vital for the success of the country's 10-year development plan. Dairy development, poultry and red meat, and also the feed development have been given special attention. The national program Yelema Trufat, which focuses on nutritional opulence, also paid special attention for certain livestock commodities like milk, honey, poultry and fish. In this regard, International Livestock Research Institute is working with the government of Ethiopia to improve food and nutritional security through research for efficient, safe, and sustainable use of livestock. In an exclusive interview with Anna, Director General of International Livestock Research Institute, ILRI, Professor Apollinaire Jacking, said that the livestock sector represents a long-standing intervention through which we can establish a resilient and sustainable livestock system in Ethiopia. ILRI has also been identifying ways to integrate livestock into food transformation systems in an effort for improved nutrition for the people in Ethiopia, Director General stated. Commenting on wheat production in Ethiopia, he said Ethiopia is making significant advancements in improving wheat productivity.
We've used health improvement, we've used nutrition and feed and forage for increasing productivity. And we've most recently managed to do what was earlier not possible to do, genetic improvement. And we have done that for poultry and also for dairy cattle in Ethiopia. We are then able to push productivity much higher than what it has been.
The Professor Addis MMYT is one of the sister organizations really working very strongly to ensure that wheat production is achieved, but is also sustained in the long term, he said. He stressed the need to utilizing waste from wheat production and similar sources as animal feed, highlighting the potential for a circular economy approach in the country. ILRI Foreign Gene Bank Interim Manager Dr. Alamayo Teresa said on his part that ILRI's Foreign Gene Bank holds vital genetic resources to improve animal nutrition by conserving, characterizing, and maximizing the use of forage diversity. Over the past 40 years, it has distributed thousands of forage samples in Ethiopia as well as in other countries, out of which the largest proportion of gene bank materials goes to Ethiopia.
There are three things to improve the livestock productivity. One is the breed itself, the best breed with best potential. The other thing is the health aspect. We need to improve also the health aspect of vaccine, whatever we're doing to control the disease. Equally important, we have to also work on the feed aspect of livestock production. Even if you have the best breed and also the best vaccine, if you don't have a feed to feed your animal, the productivity will be very poor and very low.
The researchers from the National Research System has evaluated a large number of materials and able to release over 20 varieties for different agroecologies. As one of the international research centers, ILRI has been conserving, distributing, and also doing research on forages, especially using modern technologies. This approach helps us address the scarcity of forage resources in the country and supports production systems at the farmer level, potentially transforming the scenario.